Welcome to our comparison of the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 and RTX 5070 Ti graphics cards. In this video, we'll dive into the specifications and performance of both cards to see how they stack up against each other. We'll cover three main areas: memory capacity, memory interface, and pricing. Let's get started. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 comes with 12 GB of GDDR7 memory, which is suitable for most gaming and professional applications. In contrast, the RTX 5070 Ti offers a larger 16 GB GDDR7 memory, providing enhanced performance for more demanding tasks and future-proofing for upcoming games. This additional memory can significantly impact performance, especially in high-resolution gaming scenarios. When it comes to memory interface, the RTX 5070 features a 192-bit interface, while the RTX 5070 Ti boasts a wider 256-bit interface. This wider bus allows for greater bandwidth, which can lead to improved performance in memory-intensive applications and games. The difference in memory interface is a crucial factor to consider for those looking for optimal performance. Price is always a significant factor in any purchase decision. The GIGABYTE RTX 5070 is priced at $629, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers and professionals. On the other hand, the RTX 5070 Ti is priced at $899, reflecting its enhanced capabilities and performance. Ultimately, the choice will depend on your budget and performance needs. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 and RTX 5070 Ti offer compelling features for gamers and professionals. The RTX 5070 Ti provides enhanced performance with a larger memory capacity and wider memory bus, but at a higher price point. The choice between them depends on your budget and performance needs. If you're looking for excellent value, the RTX 5070 is a great choice, while the RTX 5070 Ti targets those seeking the ultimate gaming experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.